You have a feeling like you cannot last long in bed? Well, it's very likely happening because the gland of your penis is too sensitive. But you can solve this problem by desensitizing it by yourself, and often this can be done without creams, condoms, or any pills. I'm about to show you 2 simple exercises to do by yourself at home in just 5 minutes. Don't worry, you will not lose sensation or harm yourself. You will still feel pleasure, but you will be able to last significantly longer in bed. First, it's very important to understand where the greatest sensitivity is. Usually, the glands may be sensitive overall, but there are certain spots that are super sensitive. Typically, it's either the frenulum, the foreskin, or the coronal sulcus. Now, the foreskin underside sometimes becomes inflamed due to the oversensitivity, which can lead to inflammatory disease that can affect the glands of the penis and inner layer of the foreskin. The key factor in development of the disease is pathogenic microflora, but in any case, it leads to a short sexual act and overall dissatisfaction with sexual life. These methods are called gland toughening. It involves training your glands to become less sensitive, and it fixes the problem of premature ejaculation for many men. What can we do to reduce sensitivity, at least for the frenulum of the penis? The most men, the frenulum is very short, and during the sexual intercourse, it stretches and becomes highly stimulated. Because the frenulum is not a trained and man cannot control ejaculation, and it can happen very quickly. Therefore, you should perform a special stretching exercise on the frenulum of the penis to reduce this. Now, the exercise looks like this. You take the frenulum with your fingers from both sides to secure it, and then you're gonna slowly stretch it with the exhalation. You inhale, you take the frenulum from the bottom and you pull it into stretching as you exhale for about 5 to 7 seconds. You can do 15 to 20 repetitions. The entire set should take maybe 2-3 minutes. It's very important to know that you don't need to apply anything to the penis. It's recommended to do this exercise in the morning and evening, and after about a month, you will start to notice that the sensitivity during the penetration has decreased and you will be able to last much longer. However, sometimes you don't know which part of the gland is too sensitive. It may be happening that the entire gland is very sensitive. What exercise should be done in this case? By the way, if neither first or second exercise helps you, you can always block a free consultation with me regarding this issue, and we'll be able to talk face to face and come up with quite a few different solutions. The link is in the description of the video. Okay, here's the second exercise. Gently pinch the gland with your fingers like this and lightly tap with your finger for about 3 to 5 minutes every day. After a month or so, you will notice that your gland becomes less and less sensitive. It will still feel good, but the overall sensitivity will be decreased, allowing you better control your overall arousal. Remember, consistency is the key for these exercises. This exercise should be done daily for the best results. Desensitization takes time. If this exercise don't help you, then you can use some pills, creams, special condoms, or sometimes even surgery to solve this problem. But for most of the men, this works really, really well. By the way, in this video, I explain all the other methods, so please watch this video as well. Best of luck.